Good morning, fine people. It's been a good week, a long week, but we're back in the swing of things. It's now July is over. We're in August. Look at the grass; it's so tall. So that's what I'm gonna do Saturday morning. There's really a lot that I haven't updated you guys on in the last however many months and years. But a lot of good things, just super busy. Yeah, it's pretty tall. But today I'm going to take care of this. I'm gonna get the mower out and do something about it. So some of this stuff's taller than me, but we've been pretty busy, and I'm just trying to do this because it almost rained yesterday, but look at that sky, it's so pretty. My other mower has been in the shop, my Kubota ZG 327. That's my zero turn. But today we're going to get on the tractor and brush hog all this out. Almost got a tree growing over here. So yeah. I do have a tree growing back there. Look at that. Huge. But I'm gonna try to get a jump on this while it's cool. Make sure I got fuel in the truck so that if we need to fill it up, we can. Let's see, I think I filled this up. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're solid. So, I got so much stuff. Look at all this stuff. Just stuff piled up under my canopy here. And this is somewhat organized. Really, it's just like vehicles, you know. But we got some scissor lifts that need some work. And some of the stuff I probably just need to get rid of. Wouldn't be too hard to clean some of this up. I did put some recycled asphalt down, which has been really good. I've got two trucks now because I got this bad boy. Oh, would you look at that? I got a Paris. Look at this guy. How cool is that? Can you guys see that? I got this guy flying in over the pasture right now. What do you call those things? Besides dangerous. How pretty. I bet he's got some camera rolling right now. He's about 100 foot over my property. See if I can get another shot with my phone. Oh yeah, that's got to be fun. Like I said, he is not far above my property. I'm glad I wasn't flying the drone. Didn't know I had a manned aircraft up here. You never know what's going to be happening around here with the camera rolling. Just a couple of days ago, this was probably 2 foot tall. I don't know, the grass was ridiculously tall because my other mower is in the shop, and the pathway is really a lot to maintain, but we have the guys come mow. We're just trying to clean up. Here's how quiet and dark it is on Saturday morning. Millie, I'll come get you in a minute, okay? I gotta go to work. My daughter is supposed to get up and deal with Millie. It's I've been kind of going since 6:30, but it's after 7 now, so it's really quiet in there. Yeah, we gotta get this thing going. Here is my weapon of choice this morning, the 5045 John Deere. I've had this guy for really a few years now, and it does me well, but you know, I really want to upgrade from this brush hog. I would like to get more of a finish mower type. This is really all the tractor I need for this property. Some people are like, oh, you should have got an air conditioning cab. It's like, well, I never really have felt like I needed that, but yeah. What's up, Dukers? What's up, buddy? My man Duke got a haircut. Look at him. My hands are all dirty. My hands are all dirty. Look at you. Look at you. My fuel station. Well, here's how it's going today. Lots of sunshine. You can't really tell where my progress is right here, but I have mowed the 4 acres and the front side pasture over here. Now I got this back section that I'm about to work on. But it's been a little bit unprecedented this year with the heat. The sun is bearing down on us, so I don't have a whole lot to complain about because it's only 82 right now, but the sun is hot. That's a revelational statement there. The sun is hot. So nothing like a good Saturday getting it done with the John Deere. Yeah. Well, back to it then. Well, I finished mowing pastures for today, and now I'm gonna run my little Chevy truck on down to the tire shop and get a tire replaced, because we got the spare on this truck and it's been sitting this way for some time. So I'm gonna go run down there. Just another great thing to do on Saturday. I don't know, it's hot. It's hot, and it's only like 90, so not quite as hot as normal, but I'm definitely starting to feel it.